Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find either the Google section or passwords and accounts. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And here we've got the account section. As you can see, I've got my Google account currently added to the device, but that's okay, we can still add another one. So let's start with adding the account. Let's tap on this option and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone in this section. So let me quickly do it and then tap on next right here. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here, I don't want to save it. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever we want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Sometimes you will have to take more steps, but fortunately in this device it is not required. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.